Okay, good morning, students. Welcome in our Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation Online Education English Medium. Class 5th, subject Maths. Today's date is 11th January 2021-22. Today's topic is pictograph. First, I would like to introduce myself. Myself, Suvarna Dilip Vadnere. I am from Gokhale Road Municipal English School. Our administrative officer is Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre Madam. Our nodal bit officer is Mr. Sharad Kurhade Sir. Our nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul Madam. And our assistant nodal HM, Mrs. Manpriti Kaur Madam. Our CNO, Mr. Ratidal Burangule Sir. Students, today's day, we are going to start with our good thought. Okay, so never lose hope in life. You never know what tomorrow may bring. It means never lose hope in life. You never know what tomorrow may bring. It means one great and simple quote on the hope, which tells us the importance of keeping alive, hopes in a life. It is common for people to become disheartened by thinking about the negative outcomes in the future. Then, however, no one knows exactly what the future will bring to us in the coming days. So we should never feel sad or lose hope. So be careful about tomorrow and never lose hope in a life. You never know what tomorrow may bring. Okay, let's see data representation. What is called the data representation? You know? Yes, students, it's the information. Okay, it's a information. Data representation means information. Okay, today we are going to see about the pictographs. You know the bar graphs also? Yes, na?
Yes.
Let's see about the pictograph. What is exactly the pictograph? It's a pictorial representation. Pictograph is a pictorial representation. Means collecting information, means a data. Okay, data means the information. Collecting
Information, yes.
Representing data in a visual form. Second thing is representing data in a visual form. For example, if you want to represent the trees, you can use the symbol of tree. If you want to represent the house, then you can use the symbol of house. No? If you want to show or represent the student, then you can use the smiley face.
Smiley face, yes.
Yes. No? And third one thing is a sorting information, means scale. Okay, sorting information means perfect scale you have to decide while you before pictorial representation. Okay, let's see. Now there are different ways of pictorial representation. First one is a pictograph. Second one is a horizontal graph, and third one is a vertical bar graphs. Okay. Now, students, let's see in a pictograph, the same type of picture symbol is used to represent specific number of objects. Yes, students, read the first point.
Teacher, in a pictograph, the same type of picture or symbol is used to. Yes.
Okay. In while representing the pictograph, we done the collecting information, representing visual data, and a sorting information. And there are the three ways for representing the pictograph. First one is a
Pictograph.
yes. Yes,
Pictograph,
pictogram.
horizontal bar
Second one
graph,
is a horizontal bar graph.
vertical bar graph.
And
Third
third
one.
one is a vertical bar graph. And there are 3 points to remember while before drawing the pictograph. First one is in a pictograph, the same type of picture or symbol is used to represent specific number of objects. Okay.
Yes.
For example, I just told you, if you want to represent the trees, then you can use the symbol of tree. For all types of trees, you can use the symbol of
Yes.
trees. Then second point, yes, picture.
Yeah, picture symbols used are simple and clear.
Yes, picture symbols used are simple and clear. Very good. The third one,
The quality is represented by each symbol is maintained clearly. It is
yes,
called a key.
key. Third one is a quantity represented by each symbol in mentioned clearly. It is called the key. Means in first step, what you have to see, first select the symbol or picture for representing the data. Okay. In second, picture symbol use simple and clear. Okay. Nothing
Yes.
complicated. In third,
In
you
third,
should decide scale.
mention clearly.
Yes. Then mention clearly. Okay, symbol is mentioned clearly. It is called the key. Key means the scale. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yes, teacher.
Pictorial information. There is given the title. First one. What is there? This one favorite fruit. Favorite fruit.
Which is food.
Pictorial chart is given pictogram. Title is a favorite fruit.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. Here given apple, guava, grapes, and bananas. Okay. Here is given the information about the 4.
Strawberries.
Yes.
No? Yes. Then there are given the 4 types of fruits information. So first you have to think about the title. Then second step, you have to prepare columns for
Yes.
information. First column for fruit, second column for words. Mean how many students like the apple, how many students like the guava, and how many students like the grapes,
Grapes and
how many
banana.
students likes the banana.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Second step is also important. And third is the scale. 1 vote is equal to 1 smiley face.
Oh, yes.
Okay. This one is a scale. Then here also you can understand how many students like the apple. 1
Yes.
smiley face means the 1 student. Okay. Now count.
There are 10 students. It means 10 students like apple.
Yes, very good. 10 students like the apple. And how many students like the guava?
It's 7 students like the guava.
Yes, 7 students like the guava. And how many students like the grapes?
2 students like grapes.
Yes, students like the grapes. And how many students like the banana?
5 students, I guess, like the banana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teachers. 6.
Like the
Yes.
banana. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Now let's see. You already done the counting with the help of picture in the second standard, first
Yes.
standard students. Okay. See, in first pick different trees in the orchid and tally marks we use in the first standard and second standard now.
Yes.
Given the tally marks means it's group of 10 lines. No? So the coconut, there is given the picture of coconut, orange, banana, mango, and apple. Means there is given the different trees in the orchid and number of trees. How many number of trees? It's given here with the help of the tally marks. Okay. So let's see how many coconut trees they are used a bunch of tally marks. See, 10. First one bunch is equal to 10. Okay. So
Yes.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now, let's
Oh,
see.
yes.
Here are given tally marks of now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tally marks. Means each tally mark having a 10
10,
lines. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Is it
10,
clear?
20.
If
50,
10
yes.
of the bunch, then here is given the 5 lines bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 lines tally marks is here. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are, yes,
14th.
50. Then 20 and 5 six are
30.
5 fives are 25 and 5 six are 30. Means
Yes.
overall 30. 30 coconut trees are
Yes.
there. See the tally marks. We use this into the first standard, second standard, and third standard. Now, we, with the help of these pictures, we are going to do about the pictograph. Different trees in the orchid and number of trees are given here. Coconut trees are 30, orange trees are 35, and banana tree 25, mango tree 20, and apple tree 15.
Yes.
Pictograph gives the information with pictures or symbols. We can easily understand about the number of trees of the coconut and orange and banana and apple and mango with the help of picture. No? So it's become easy with the help of understand with the help of picture. Now let's see how to draw the pictograph with the help of given information. Yes, first day you have to decide the title. Title is the trees in orchid. Okay, first we decided the title. Then title is the trees in the orchid. Then second step, select the columns.
Scale.
First column for the trees,
Yes.
second column for the number of trees. Okay.
Yes.
See the columns. Okay. Now in first column, how many trees are there? Coconut trees, orange tree, banana tree, mango tree, and apple tree. Okay, 5 types of trees we have to write here.
Right there. Yes.
Yes. Now, how many coconut trees
30
are
coconuts.
given in the
30 coconuts.
in numerical data? 30. 30 coconut trees are given into the numerical data. Then how we can
5 6 are,
show here in
it's
the
a 5
pictograph?
6 are 30. Means we have to draw 5 6 are no, 6.
Yes, we have to
6
draw with the help of picture or symbol.
Yes.
Therefore, we have to select the scale. Okay. So, third step is the scale. See, scale is also given. One picture of the tree represents 5 trees. Okay.
Yes.
This one picture represents the 5 trees.
Then we
Here
have
is a picture of the tree. Okay.
yes.
Let's represent the 5 trees. Then
Oh.
coconut trees. How many coconut trees we have to show? 30.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then see 5 coconut trees means 1 pick. Then second, how many trees? How many picks we have to show here? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, and 5 six are 30. Okay.
Yes.
Now it's completed.
Yes.
Are you
Yes.
understood? 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pictures I drawn here to show the 30 coconut trees. Now for the orange tree is 35. One more tree I have to draw for the orange tree.
We
Means
have to
7
draw
trees.
5 trees,
Okay.
teacher. Yes.
2, 3, 4,
And 5.
5, 6, 7. 7 symbols. 7 5s are 35. 5
Yeah.
7s are 35. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. Then banana tree, for the how many banana tree? We have to show
5
here
25. 5,
25.
teacher.
In numerical
5.
data, there is given the
5.
25 banana trees. So we have to draw here 5 5s are 25. So 5
Yes. 5 trees we have to
pictures.
draw.
1,
Yes.
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5.
and 5.
Yes.
Okay. Now for the
Yes.
mango trees, how many pictures we have to draw here?
4,
20
teacher.
in
4.
numerical
5
data.
for the 20.
Already 20 numbers are given. For showing the 20 numbers, 5 4s are 20.
It means
That's
we
why
have
we
to
have
draw
to draw here how many
4
picture?
trees.
1, 2,
3,
3,
4.
and 4.
Yes.
Correct now?
Yes.
Yes. Then for the apple in numerical data, how many
We have
apple
to
trees
draw
are
3
shown here?
3
15.
trees. 3.
So 5 3s are 15. So we have to draw here 3 picks. 1, 2,
Yes.
3. Okay, understood? If
Yes.
numerical data is given here, then how to study the numerical data and how to draw the pictograph.
Yes.
Yes. Now let's see next. One more example already given here. Let's see first. A watch company manufactures watches from Monday to Friday. The table shows the data given by the company. Make a pictograph to represent the number of watches manufactured. Use the key as given. Okay, see, a watch company manufactured watches from Monday to Friday. So there is given, first we have to select the title. Okay, manufacture, it's information we have to show here, manufactured watches in the company.
Yes.
All the second step is prepare the columns. Okay, days, here is given the days and number of watches.
Yes.
This information we have to show here. Now, into the, how many days from the Monday to Friday?
Friday, yes.
Yes, Monday to Friday. In Monday, how many watches are manufactured? Yes,
50
students.
of means of 10 5s are 50. 10 5 teacher 5.
Okay, student. First, we have to read the information. What is given
Okay.
here?
Yes.
Okay, there are given the 2 columns for the day. See here in this
Yes.
box, there are given the 2 columns for the day and the number of
The
watches.
watches.
We have to show in Monday how many watches manufactured?
60 watches, yes.
Yes. In Monday, Tuesday, 70 watches
70
manufactured.
watches.
How many watches manufactured on Tuesday? 70.
Yes.
Then on Wednesday,
60.
then on Thursday,
80 watches
50
manufactured.
watches manufactured. Then on Friday,
50 watches manufactured.
50 watches manufactured. This data is given into the numerical form. Then we have to draw here the pictograph. Already here is given, na? But
Yes.
let's see how it's given. First, select the title. Title is of watches manufactured.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then in second step, we have to prepare the column. First column for the date
Yes.
and
Picture.
second column for the number
Picture.
of wristwatches manufactured.
Yes.
Okay. Then How many days we have to show here? Monday to Friday.
Friday.
Write down first all days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Friday.
Okay, then third step is select the scale.
Scale.
Here
Yes.
is a scale.
Scale.
Okay, one picture represents 10
10
wristwatches.
wristwatches. Okay, 10 on the 10.
Yes, one
10, 6 are 60.
picture
Oh,
represents 10 wristwatches. All
yeah.
60, 70, 60, 80, and 50. All these numbers coming in table of 10.
Yes.
No? So we have to see the grouping. Which number will become too easy for grouping. Okay. So one picture here is we selected the scale. One picture represents the 10 wrist.
10 watches.
On the Monday, 60 watches we have to show.
Yes, 60
10
means 6
6 are
watches.
60.
Watches.
So here drawn how many watches?
6. 10, 6 are 60. 6.
Picture 6 pictures of the watches here drawn. Now on Tuesday, how many watches we have to show? 70.
Yes, 70.
So 70 watches manufactured on the Tuesday. So 10 sevens are 70. So 7
Yes, 7.
pictures.
Yes, centimeters.
Okay.
Yeah.
And on Wednesday, 60 watches were manufactured. Okay. So
10, 6 are 60.
10
6.
6 are 60. So we have to draw here 6
6.
pictures of
6 watches.
And on Thursday, 80
50
watches
is a.
manufactured.
Yes.
Okay, 10 8s are 80. So 8 watches we have to draw here.
Yes.
Saturday, how many watches manufactured? Yes, students, 50. So
Yes.
5 watch. 5, 10, 5s are 50. So 5
It
watches.
means 5 watches.
Understood? Yes? Now,
Yes. Yes.
in next, here also given the one numerical form data and the pictorial information. See, there are 2 columns for the fruits and here are given the pictorial information. See the scale. Means fruits and number
Yes.
of fruits are sold into the market. This information is given here with the help of picture of the apple, banana, guava, and pineapple. Okay, see the scale. Each fruit represents the 25 fruits. Okay, it means with the help of pictorial information, we can write the numerical data also. So for the writing numerical data also, we have to make a 2 columns, fruits and number of fruits sold. So how many apples sold into the market? Here is given the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ticks.
Yes.
So one picture is equal to 25 fruits. So 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 and plus 25. Means 5 times we have to add 25 is equal to 125. Okay.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Then for the banana, here also each picture is having a 25.
Teacher, there is 100.
25 plus
100
25
bananas.
plus 25 plus 25. 4 times. Means 25 multiplied by 4 or 25 plus 25. 4 times you can multiply
Yes,
and it's become
100.
100. Okay. Then here guava. How many pictures of the guava? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 guava means 25 multiplied by 6 is equal to 150.
Yes.
Then how many pineapples sold into the market? 1, 2, 3,
6 teacher. It
4,
means
5, 6. And pineapples
150.
also 60.
Yes.
6 pictures of the pineapple. So
Yeah.
25 multiplied by 6 is equal to 150. Means 150 number of fruits sold into the market. Pineapples sold into the market.
150.
Yes. In this way, we can write, study the pictorial information and prepare the numerical formals. Okay. Now,
Yes.
next one example is given here, modes of transport used by the students. See, modes of transport. Into the school, some students are coming with the help of school bus, some students are coming with the help of car, auto rickshaws, bicycle, or walking they are coming. See, first which steps are there? First select the topic. Topic is the modes of transport used by the student. Then prepare
Scale
the
is
columns
one
properly.
slide.
2 columns are there. Modes of transport. Then number of students.
Yes.
Correct na? Then third step is a scale. Here is a scale. Correct na?
Yes. One
Each
smile
picture
is going
represents
to-
how many students here?
one scale. Sorry, one smile is equal to
Picture
2 students.
represents 2 students. Okay. Let's study this pictorial information. How many pics are given for the school bus? How many students are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 students.
Means 6 multiplied by 2. Each picture shows represent the 2 students. So 6 multiplied by 2
Is equal
12.
to 12. 12 students.
Is 12 students coming by school bus. Okay. Then how many students coming by car? Here is given how many pics? 1, 2, 3, 4.
8 students.
4 pictures.
Four
Means
children.
4 multiplied by 2 means each picture represents 2 students. So 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Means 8 students coming by car. Understood? Then how many students coming by auto rickshaw? Tell me now.
2, 3. 3 to the 6 teacher. 6 students.
Yes, here is shown 3 pics. So 3 multiplied by 2 and 6 students coming by auto rickshaw. Correct. Then how many students coming by bicycle?
8 students are coming by bicycles.
Yes, 8 students coming by bicycle because 4 pics shown here. 4 twos are 8.
8, yes.
Okay. And how many students coming by walking?
10 students.
Yes, 1, 4, 5. 5 pics shown here. 5 twos are 10. So 10 students coming by walking to the school.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
How to study the pictogram? It's easy, na?
Yes.
Let's see. One more example is shown here, and you have to study this chart and give the answers.
Yes.
First, here is given the information about the bowler, overs, runs given, and wickets
Wicket.
taken. All this about the cricket, no?
Yes.
Yes. Here is given the information about bowler. Here is Chandrakant, Ramakant, and Ahmed. 3 bowlers are there, and there Chandrakant, Ramakant, and Ahmed. How they bowl the ball and how they gives the run and take the wicket. Okay. So
Yes.
first read the scale. Scale is given. One picture shows 1 over. And 1 over means the 6 balls. Already, you know, familiar about the cricket. Into the 1 over, there are 6 balls. Okay. So 1 pick is equal to 1 over. So Chandrakant, how many over for the Chandrakant? Here are given the 3 questions. First, we have to study the chart. Chandrakant score 1, 2, 3, 4 over played Chandrakant. How many runs given? 18.
18
runs given. How many wickets taken?
4 wickets.
Yes, 4 wickets. Then Ramakant, how many
Ramakant.
overs?
Over 2 balls.
2 overs. Then how many
Yes.
runs given?
20.
20. Yes. Then how many wickets taken?
0 wickets. Yes.
0. No wickets taken while playing. And Ahmed played 3 overs. How many overs? 3 overs. And runs given, how many runs?
12
Ahmed given
runs.
12. Then wickets taken 2.
2. Yes.
So first question is about how many bowler does the table give the information? Yes. How many
3.
bowlers does the table gives the information?
3
This
bowlers.
table,
3
there are
bowlers.
how many bowlers? Chandrakant, Ramakant and Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Yes, 3 bowlers are there. No?
Yes.
Yes, 3 bowlers. Then second question, who gave away the most runs?
Who gave
Away the most runs. Here are, see the chart on column of the runs given 18, 20 and 12. Compare all these numbers and how many gave away the most runs? Ramakant. Yes, Ramakant gave away
the most
Very
runs.
good. Then
Yes.
third question, how many overs did Chandrakant bowl?
Chandrakant balls.
Yes,
Chandrakant over 4 balls.
yes, Chandrakant bowled 4 overs.
Yes.
Yes. How many wickets did Ramakant take? Fourth number question.
0 wickets Ramakant.
Rama can take 0
Yes,
wicket.
0 wicket Ramakant take. Then fifth question. How many balls did Ahmed bowl?
How did balls as Rahmat?
How many balls? There is asked how
3.
many balls? 1 over
3
is
balls.
equal to 6 balls. And Ramakant played 3 overs. Means 3 multiplied by 6. Each over having a 6 balls. Means 6 multiplied by 3.
6 multiplied by 3, 18.
Yes. Means how many balls Ahmed played?
18 balls.
18 balls.
Yes, 18 balls. Here are the balls, not about the overs. So we have to find out the balls. So 18 balls Ahmed played. Okay. Now 6 number question. How many runs did Chandrakant give?
18.
20 runs Chandrakant gave.
How many runs did Chandrakant give?
18.
Chandrakant gave 18 runs. Yes. Correct.
18.
18 now.
Seventh number question. How many overs were bowled altogether? Overs.
We want to do add.
See the question.
Teacher,
How
2.
many overs
Ahmed.
bowled all together? Means Chandrakant bowled 4 overs, Ramakant bowled 2 overs, and Ahmed bowled 3 overs. We have to add all these numbers. No? 4 plus 2 plus 3.
All over of ball is 50. 50.
Overs they ask. So here is a 4 overs, here is a 2 overs, and here is a 3 overs. So we have to add these all number. 4 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to
9.
9.
9.
So 9 overs. Altogether, how many overs? 9.
9.
Okay. Now 8 number question. Who gave away the least runs per over? Least.
Teacher,
means
Ahmed.
Miss Ahmed.
Ahmed. See the
Ahmed,
compare the runs.
Ahmed
Chandrakant
gave away the least runs per over.
Yes. Chandrakant given 18. The Ramakant runs gave 20. Then here Ahmed gave 12 runs. So least runs means 12. And Ahmed given 18 least runs. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Very good, students. Good response. Good answer. Now, here, Banta pictorial chart for the study. See, information collected from 150 students about their parents' occupation. And make a pictograph based on it. Okay, we have to make the pictograph. First, You have I drawn here only.
Yes.
Okay. Now here we have to shown occupation of the students' parents and number of
Yeah.
students. Then 60 students' parents doing farming, and 20 number of students parents doing private job, and 30 number of students parents doing government job, and 40 students parents doing other job, means a shopkeeper or sailor.
Miss, what we want?
So
Then
for showing pictograph, we have to select the scale. Okay, or observe this, all this number, all are coming into the table of 10. So
Yes.
it's easy to select the 10 number, grouping the 10 number of scale. So each
scale is
picture, one picture,
number of
see the
students.
picture number of students. Now I shown here smiley face. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, it's easy. So each picture represents 10 students. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now, first we have to show here 60.
Means six students.
Yes, 1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 5, 6.
6. Okay.
6 students. Then 60 students parents doing here. So 6 pics I drawn
Yes.
here, and 20 students parent doing a private job.
Students.
So
2.
40, then 10 other.
are you understood about this chart?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Number of students we drawn here with the help of scale. First you have to select the scale. Okay. Now, here is given the one example for your practice. Read out this sentence. This
Stocks,
example.
yes, stocks of various types of grains stored in a warehouse are as given below. Make a pictographs based on the information given.
Okay. Here is given information about grain and sacks. So we have to select the scale first. Tell me about the scale. One
Scale is
picture
the,
of the sack.
one
I
scale
drawn
is
here the
equal to
picture of
8.
sack in this
Yes,
way.
8.
Or you can draw about this way also. Any
Oh,
type of pic.
yes.
Okay, one pic is equal to how many sacks? See, observe the
8 sacks.
8. Okay.
8 sacks.
All these numbers are coming into the table of
Bigger than 8. Sorry,
of
smaller than.
Okay, 8 sacks. This is a scale. With the help of this scale, you can draw. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now, next. Here, what you understood today? So,
Make a pictograph.
Pictograph, you must study the
Numerical information.
Find
very
out the factors of all the numbers to the reopen. Choose
yes,
an
very good.
appropriate scale. Choose an appropriate symbol. Make a right columns for the pictographs.
Yes,
People's pictographs write the scale used.
yes, very good students. While drawing the pictograph, these all points you must remember. First point, study the numerical information given. Then second point, find out the factors of all numbers to be represented.
Yes.
And third point, choose an appropriate scale. It's very
Appropriate
important. Then third point, choose an appropriate symbol.
Also.
The next point, make the right columns for the pictograph.
Yes.
Last point, below the pictograph, write the scale
Scale
used.
used.
Okay, understood,
Yes.
students?
Yes.
Yes. Now, this is homework for you. Do activity. Activities are given here. Collect
Yes.
the information based on the points given below and make a pictograph for each.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
First, which crops are grown on the farm owned by the students in your class? See, vegetables, grains, pulses, or fruits. Huh? You can
Okay.
make chart of this pictograph. Okay.
Mhm.
And second,
Yes.
storybooks do you like, or do your classmates like? Okay. And third, what do your classmates want to be when
Grow up,
they
doctor, teacher, anything. Okay.
want to become a doctor or teacher or farmer or engineer and office? Okay.
Yes.
For you students. Now,
Uh,
thank you very much.
Thank you, teacher. Have a nice day.
Stay healthy and stay.